Any combination of 3 notes can be a chord. These 3 notes are a chord, these 3 notes are a chord, and even these 3 notes are a chord. However, sometime during the Renaissance, we started showing a heavy preference towards what we would call triads, which is a chord that is based on thirds. We call this tertial harmony. We could also have quartal harmony or quintal harmony, and that would be chords based on fourths or fifths, but we'll talk about those later. Perhaps the 2 most common chords in Western music are the major and the minor chord. If you need a refresher on what major and minor intervals are, there should be a link popping up above my head right now. Let's look first at the major chord. There are 2 different ways that we could construct the major chord. The major chord is made up of a major third and then a minor third. So if we were to start with G, which we would call the root, and go up a major third, we would end up at B natural. And then from there, we would go up a minor third and get to D natural. This makes a G major chord. We call it a major chord because there is a major third between the root and the third. There's another way that we could look at it. We could see it as having a first, a third, and a fifth. So again, we'll call G the root, and then from there we'll go up a major third, and again we'll get B natural. But instead this time we'll go back to G and count a perfect fifth above the root, which will give us D natural. Every major triad will have a first, a third, and a fifth, with a major third between the root and the third. When I was learning to build chords, this is how I was taught to think about them. Let's build a major chord on A flat. The root of the chord is therefore A flat, and we'll go up a major third and find C natural, and then from A flat we'll go up a perfect fifth and find E flat. E flat is also a minor third above C, so you could have also constructed it that way. You can construct any major chord from this pattern. So just for fun, let's build an E sharp major chord. We'll start on E sharp and go up a major third, which gives us G double sharp. And then from E sharp, we'll go up a perfect fifth, which gives us B sharp. Now, that may not be practical, but it just goes to show you the pattern works for literally any major chord. Now, let's look at the minor triad. It's called a minor chord because there's a minor third between the root and the third. So let's start on F. Again, this is called the root. We'll go up a minor third from F and find A flat. And then from A flat, we'll go up a major third, which gives us C natural. You'll notice in the minor chord, we still have a perfect fifth. So we could have constructed an F minor chord by going F to A flat as a minor third and F to C as a perfect fifth. Much like with the major chord, this pattern will work for any minor chord. One other interesting thing to notice is that the major chord and the minor chord are inversions of each other. With the major chord, we have a major third on the bottom and a minor third on top. With the minor chord, we have a minor third on the bottom with a major third on the top. Next time, we'll look at some other triads that we can build. But leave any questions you have in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching this episode of 2-Minute Music Theory. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. Also be sure to check out my other channel, Jesse Strickland Music, which is home of all of my compositions. And if you're the kind of person who uses social media, feel free to connect with me there.